How to use paint bucket on Krita. First, this can be really light to situate between the first situation and the another progress that can be really satisfied with making this progress more important than usual, because we want to have this important deals can be really with this kind of the movement that we are going to have it on our moment that we want. And this is actually something that we can start realize on choosing the fill tool, which is really the paint bucket icon. You select your foreground color, and this really made me understand how this can interact with the foreground color. I see to click inside the area tools to fill it, and you know some kind of the movement that is really about to go with the engagement next time I that is really things about to fill color on that with this icon. As you can see, fill a categories area of color with a color or fill a selection. You click on it and fill it as you can see.